I didn't put state data, or I didn't put snowfall data. I still have my state data in. So I'm going to come over here. I'm going to turn this bad boy on, and I'll walk you through this.
Okay, good.
So first, get a histogram up. First, get your histogram on your TI. You all did that already, right? You already did it. Do it again. All right, L1. Yeah, I'm just going to use the state data again, so there it is. It's not going to look, it looks similar to yours, but it won't look the same as yours because I've got totally different data. But that's not pertinent. What's pertinent is we both get a histogram, I'll get a histogram. Now, what we're going to do is turn plot 2 on. We're going to put the box plot with the histogram. So second y equals, go down to plot 2, and on, oops, wrong button, sorry, I should be looking at the screen. Go down, there are 2 different box plots. We'll get to him in a second. Get to him right now. This is called a standard box plot that won't show outliers. I don't want you to do the modified yet. We'll get to the modified in a second. That's the bridge gapper between here and Tuesday. My X list was L5. Your X list, I'm guessing, is L2. That's where your snowfall was, right? In list 2. Did you guys catch that? That upsets some students sometimes. The list 1 is irrelevant after you've pulled the snowfall totals off. That's the important thing. You were randomly selecting years to get their snowfalls. You're interested, always ask yourself, if you're interested in what you should be plotting for an X list, what are you averaging? What are you looking at the relative positions for? The years? The snowfall's in the years, yeah? Where's the snowfall? It's in list 2. So I put list 5 because that's where mine is, yours is in list 2. Just press graph. You should see a box plot up here with your histogram at this point. That's kind of nice. Now, is it sitting on top of your histogram?
Yeah.
Is it, yeah. So you can finagle with this. This is where you guys go to your window on the 89. So finagle button is window. You can get in there and start messing with it. One of the easiest things to do, if you want to get your box plot off the histogram, one of the easiest things to do is to raise the Y max value, which will put the box plot higher. So if you press window, my Y max is at 11.7, I'll make it 20. And then just press graph again. The histogram is still exactly the same as it was. It looks shorter because now there's more Y range. So your call. You don't have to care either. I mean, I'm kind of going above and beyond. It drives me nuts when the damn histogram sits on top of the box plot and vice versa. Fair enough? We living with this? Go ahead, please. Oh, it won't match for your data. I have totally different data. So let me see what you guys got. Press graph. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, that's where your data is. There we go. Yeah, because both of these, good. Thank you, Danielle, for that. These are both graphing the same data set, but in 2 different ways. This is graphing, in my case, 0 to 5, 5 to 10, 10 to 15. This is graphing 25% of the data at a time and the cutoffs for that. Is that fair? Yeah, you're not graphing 2 different things here. Over here on the Excel sheet, which we'll get back to here in a second, I'm seeing all of your box plots. Each one of those is going to be showing up on one of your TIs right there. Okay, so realize what you're looking at. You're looking at two different looks at the same data set. Fair enough so far? Now do this for me. Everybody go back and whatever your box plot was, change it to what's called the modified box plot. The modified box plot. So it's not, this is the standard one, the one that I'm blinking on right there. Change it to that one. When you do this, you'll see a little thing called a mark that shows up at the bottom. It shows a mark. If you press graph now, depending on your data set, you might or you might not see little boxes on one side or the other. Those are called outliers. Now, don't tell me which of you have it and which of you don't have it yet. I'm going to try to predict it based on what I see on the screen up here. I think I might be able to if I could do my geometry correct. Sarah, is it not working?
No.
Is it giving an error?
Well, I can't get that.
Oh, just press enter.
No.
Press graph. Oh, zoom 9 then. There he is. There he is. Remember, Zoom 9 always gets you. Remember, Zoom 9's your fish finder. Then you can start finagling if you want to.
So do you turn on the other?
Cool enough? Yes? Ish? Okay, good. I'll turn this off. We're gonna start and stop that again.
So the mark is the little box, right?
The mark is the... Yes. The mark is the box. The mark is the outlier. Some of you might not have them. I think I can tell who does and who doesn't by this sheet. And then I want you guys to try to figure out how I'm doing it. Which is far